Now we're going to do a really poppy, bright lip.
Yeah.
So right, we're going to have the colour within the lines. So no going over the lip line. Again, just use the pencil. I'm going to try not to talk while I'm doing it. So use it on the bow, bringing it round. So you see, like, always start at the top lip. But also, because the lip pencil is so creamy, you could fill the whole lip in with that.
Yeah, absolutely.
Couldn't you? Because like, look, even that, how easy that's going on.
And I guess if you line the whole lip, does that make a nice base for the lipstick?
Yeah, because it's got something to grip hold of, hasn't it? It's got almost like you're staining the lip underneath, and then the lipstick can just glide right on top. So you done your lip line?
Yeah.
Let's see how you done. Perfect, lovely. And what's lovely about these lipsticks as well, listen to the pop. Magnetic lid.
Great.
Nothing worse is there than the lid falling off in your makeup bag and ends up all mushed in the bottom. Right, so here we go. So the bullet in front of you, obviously where the point, onto the Cupid's bow, straight round, bottom. 1, 2, 3, wallop. And now you're rocking a really bright eye and a
I love it together.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
I like it too.
I wouldn't normally go for the double
exactly.
eye and lip together, but it's a really nice combo.